Welcome to Kolar, a city nestled in Karnataka, southern India, known for its rich history and natural wonders. Amidst rolling hills and verdant landscapes lies a city waiting to be discovered. Today we'll explore Kolar's scenic landscapes and fascinating history, uncovering the treasures that make it a true hidden gem. Kolar is not just a city, it's a sanctuary where nature's artistry unfolds. Nestled in the heart of Karnataka, this city is a hidden gem that offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage. Picture this, rolling hills cloaked in emerald green rising majestically against the azure sky. These hills are not just a sight to behold, but a testament to the timeless beauty of nature. These hills frame Kolar, a testament to nature's boundless creativity. They stand as silent guardians, watching over the city and its inhabitants, offering a sense of peace and tranquility. Within this picturesque setting lies Nandi Hills, a haven for nature enthusiasts. This hill station is a popular destination for those seeking a respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. This hill station offers more than just breathtaking views. It is a place where one can connect with nature, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and find solace in the serene surroundings. It's a world of lush greenery, a symphony of tranquility where the air is crisp and the spirit finds solace. The forests here are a sanctuary for wildlife, offering a glimpse into the rich biodiversity of the region. Beyond the hills, Kolar's landscape is dotted with shimmering lakes and reservoirs. These water bodies are not just sources of life, but also places of recreation and relaxation. Kolar Reservoir, a popular retreat, stands as a testament to the city's serene charm. Here, one can enjoy a peaceful day by the water, surrounded by the beauty of nature. Families gather for picnics, their laughter echoing across the water, while nature's gentle embrace soothes the soul. It's a place where memories are made and the simple joys of life are celebrated. Kolar is adorned with ponds, tanks, and natural springs, each a testament to the life-giving force of water. These natural features add to the city's charm, making it a true oasis. Venture beyond the city limits and you'll find dry, deciduous forests teeming with life. These forests are a stark contrast to the lush greenery of the hills, yet they are equally captivating. Deer graze peacefully amidst the trees, while the elusive jackal roams the undergrowth. These creatures are a reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the importance of preserving these habitats. The peacock, with its iridescent plumage, adds a vibrant splash of color. Its presence is a symbol of the rich biodiversity that Kolar has to offer. Kolar is a paradise for birdwatchers, its skies alive with a kaleidoscope of feathered wonders. From the smallest songbirds to the majestic raptors, the diversity of birdlife here is truly remarkable. From songbirds to raptors, the air is filled with the music of nature. Each bird adds its own unique note to the symphony, creating a harmonious blend that is both soothing and exhilarating. Our journey through Kolar now takes us to its rich history, intertwined with the allure of gold. The story of Kolar is one of opulence and hardship, where the quest for gold has shaped its very essence. For millennia, the earth beneath Kolar has yielded its golden treasure, attracting adventurers, traders and miners from far and wide, shaping the destiny of this ancient city. The gold rush brought prosperity, but also tales of toil and sacrifice. Deep within its heart lay the Kolar gold fields, once a realm of darkness and danger. These mines were among the deepest in the world, a labyrinth of tunnels and shafts. Today, these mines stand silent, their depths echoing with the ghosts of miners past. The once bustling shafts are now a haunting reminder of a bygone era. The Kolar Goldfields, or KGF, were more than just mines. They were a microcosm of life itself. A community thrived here with schools, hospitals and markets. Generations of miners lived and worked here, their lives shaped by the rhythm of the earth. The mines were their livelihood, their identity. Amidst the hardship, there was camaraderie, a bond forged in the face of adversity. The miners shared not just their labor, but their hopes and dreams. Today, as we stand at the edge of these silent giants, we can almost hear the echoes of the past. The stories of bravery, endurance, and resilience linger in the air. The KGF may be gone, but its story is etched into the very fabric of Kolar. The legacy of the gold fields continues to inspire and remind us of the city's golden era. Kolar's history is also defined by its ancient temples. These sacred sites have stood the test of time, witnessing the rise and fall of empires. The Kolarama Temple, dedicated to the fierce goddess Kolarama, stands as a testament to the region's deep-rooted faith. It is a place where spirituality and history converge. Its towering gopuram, adorned with intricate carvings, pierces the sky. Each carving tells a story, a piece of the rich tapestry of Kolar's cultural heritage. The Bhoga Nandishwara temple, an architectural marvel, transports us back to the Chola dynasty. Its grandeur and elegance are a tribute to the artisans of the past. Its sprawling complex houses a treasure trove of sculptures, inscriptions, and shrines. Each element is a testament to the artistic and spiritual fervor of the time. These temples are living testaments to the enduring power of faith and the spiritual heart of Kolar. They continue to draw devotees and visitors, keeping the ancient traditions alive. Kolar's charm lies in its captivating scenery, rich history, and gentle climate. The sun's warmth bathes the land in a golden glow, while cool breezes whisper tales of distant hills. Kolar experiences a tropical climate, a symphony of seasons that dictates the rhythm of life. Summers, though hot, are tempered by refreshing monsoon showers. The land rejoices as rain transforms the landscape into a vibrant tapestry of green. As the monsoon clouds retreat, winter descends, draping the hills in a cool mist. The air turns crisp, inviting you to savor a cup of steaming chai. Winters in Kolar are a time for reflection, for gathering around bonfires and sharing stories. Spring awakens the land in a riot of colors, with flowers blooming in profusion. The surrounding hills offer a cooler respite, a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of city life. As we venture further into Kolar, we witness the beauty of resilience of life sustained by the land. Agriculture, the backbone of this region, is a testament to the enduring bond between man and nature. Farmers tend to their crops with generations of knowledge. The soil yields a bounty of crops, each with its own unique flavor and character. Groundnuts thrive in Kolar's climate, their delicate flowers transforming into protein-rich nuts. Millet sways gracefully in the fields, promising sustenance to both man and beast. Cotton paints the landscape in a sea of white. The rhythm of life in rural Kolar is dictated by the seasons, by the sowing and harvesting of crops. The farmers of Kolar are the unsung heroes, their tireless efforts ensuring food on our tables. Kolar's allure extends beyond its natural beauty and historical significance. This city, nestled in the heart of Karnataka, is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be uncovered. It is a city brimming with hidden treasures, each waiting to be discovered. From its serene landscapes to its rich cultural heritage, Kolar offers a unique blend of the past and the present. Our journey now takes us to the crown jewel of Kolar Nandi Hills. This iconic landmark is not just a visual delight, but also a place steeped in history and spirituality. Rising majestically from the plains, Nandi Hills is a sanctuary for the soul. Its lush greenery and tranquil environment provide a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. As we ascend the winding road, the air grows cooler, carrying the sweet fragrance of pine and eucalyptus. The journey itself is an experience, with every turn revealing a new facet of nature's beauty. The views from the top are breathtaking, a panoramic vista of rolling hills, shimmering lakes, and distant cities. It's a sight that stays with you long after you've descended. Nandi Hills is a photographer's paradise, a place where every turn reveals a new perspective. The play of light and shadow, the changing hues of the sky, all make for perfect photographic moments. Perched atop the hill is the ancient Nandi temple, dedicated to Nandi, the sacred bull of Lord Shiva. This temple is not just a place of worship, but also a symbol of the region's rich cultural heritage. The temple, with its intricate carvings and towering gopuram, is a testament to architectural prowess. Each detail tells a story, a glimpse into the craftsmanship of a bygone era. From Nandi Hills, we venture to Antharaganj, a hill shrouded in mystery and legend. This place is not just a natural wonder, but also a spiritual haven. Antharaganj, meaning Ganges from the deep, is said to be the source of a perennial spring. This spring is believed to have healing properties, drawing pilgrims and tourists alike. The hill is a popular destination for trekkers, offering breathtaking views from the summit. The trek is challenging yet rewarding, with the summit providing a sense of accomplishment and awe. Antharaganj is also a place of pilgrimage, home to the ancient Antharaganja temple. This temple, nestled amidst the hills, is a serene spot for reflection and prayer. Our final destination is the Kolar Goldfields, now a ghost town, its abandoned mines a poignant reminder of a bygone era. Once a bustling hub of activity, it now stands silent, echoing the past. Amidst the ruins, there is a sense of awe, a realization of the sheer scale of human endeavor that once took place here. The remnants of the mining structures stand as silent witnesses to the history and heritage of Kolar. Kolar is a city of contrasts where ancient traditions coexist with modern aspirations. It is a city with a rich cultural tapestry woven from threads of history, religion and art. The spirit of Kolar is best experienced during its festivals, when the city comes alive with color, music and dance. Diwali illuminates the night sky with fireworks and diyas, casting a magical glow over the city. Ugadi, the Kannada New Year, celebrates the arrival of spring and the promise of a bountiful harvest. Dasara celebrates the victory of good over evil, with the city adorned with lights and decorations. Kolar's cultural heritage extends beyond its festivals. The region is home to a rich tradition of folk art and dance forms, each telling a story or conveying a message. The Dolu Kunitha, a traditional drum dance, is a sight to behold, as dancers move rhythmically to the beat of drums. The Yakshagana, a folk theatre form, combines dance, music, dialogue, costume and stage techniques, keeping the audience spellbound. Kolar may not be as bustling as larger cities, but its historical importance, natural beauty and peaceful atmosphere make it a hidden gem in Karnataka. It is a city that stays with you long after you've left, its stories echoing in your heart. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Kolar. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more explorations of hidden gems around the world.